Hi, and today I am working with Adobe Premiere Pro 9.0 sharing how to stabilize the screen. Start with left-clicking all panels at the top of the page. Scrolling down and right, left-click Effects. Scroll down, left-click Arrow Video Effects. Scroll down, left-click Arrow Distort. Scroll down, then left-click and hold on Warp Stabilizer VFX. Drag and drop on the clip. Then it will start stabilizing frame by frame. This could take a couple of minutes. On the left side of the page, under Effects Controls, scroll down and find Warp Stabilizer in order to see the frame count. There are a few other options if you would like to get a little more advanced. And there we have it, all stabilized. Thank you for watching.